Hi, Dr. John here, wanting to talk to you about an exciting new product that's going to change how we treat our feline companions. I know something for cats, but you don't care about cats, but I do. And traditionally, there's been very little out there for our feline companions. Most products out there are for our canine companions, not our felines, and that's why I'm really excited about what MYOS Muscle Growth Feline formula can do. And so this is the same formula we have in our canine formula, 100% fortitropin. It's just designed for cats. And there was a great study done, a 2-week trial at the University of Florida, where they looked at cats and fed them the MYOS formula 1, 2, and 4 grams to see how they tolerated it, and they tolerated it very well. And so what I'm excited about is what we can do, because we know that our feline companions, we can't walk them, we can't do the daily exercises to the same point that we can with our canine partners. And so they suffer from sarcopenia. That means muscle wastage as they age. And so the white paper I read about this supplement, or the original supplement I should say, I got really excited. So for the last 3.5 months, I've had my own personal 18-year-old domestic short-hair cat taking this supplement, and it has been revolutionary in her quality of life, the activities she's doing, and just general mentation of how she spends her day. Before, she would have a pretty solitary life. 18 years old, I'd have to carry her up and down stairs, put her outside. Now, 3.5 months later, she's going up and down the stairs herself. She's going outside, lying in the sun, coming up and down onto my desk. And I'm not saying every cat will respond the same, but it's been quite revolutionary to see her body condition score change, filling out the temporal muscles, loss of the sarcopenia that traditionally she get, because we know as we age, our requirements for amino acids go up, but our body's ability to produce amino acids actually goes down. But also the levels of myostatin in our blood go up. And so this is what this formula does, is great. It lowers the levels of myostatin in the blood, so the body now takes the handbrakes off the body's ability to produce muscle and starts to produce muscle. But it produces muscle everywhere, not just we talk about in the canine version. And if you want to learn more about this, we have a 1-hour video that goes into great detail about how this product works on YouTube. So go to Veterinary Teaching Academy on YouTube and watch the video, because in the canine study, it showed with disuse atrophy that it prevented disuse atrophy as well. And so this is really exciting, but let's get back to our feline patients, because they're very important too, about how this works. So it's great for geriatric cats suffering degenerative joint disease, because we know that don't go out and exercise. We may get the laser pointer, we may play with the feather duster, but they live pretty much a solitary life. And so we now know, through, if we extrapolate what was done with the canine studies, that disuse atrophy, this was a post-surgical study, that when they don't use the limb, they lose muscle mass, and it showed that those on the 100% fortitropin supplement maintain muscle mass. And that's where I went, wow, this is going to change for our geriatric cats that just want to sleep all day. They're not getting up, they're not going for daily walks, they're not doing rehabilitation, or mostly. And so this is great for those, because it has changed my cat's life. Her attitude every day, she's going up and down the stairs. She still has functional elbow dysplasia, so functionally she's still slow. We're not changing the joints, but we're now supporting those joints. We don't have that same joint laxity. The soft tissue structure is now around that joint, holding it in place. She's now more comfortable. She's in less pain, so now she's moving around more. And so now building muscle, less pain, and it's that spiral of gain. And so this has been very exciting. So once again, I say if you want to learn more about this, go watch the YouTube video at Veterinary Teaching Academy. But this really is for our feline clients and also for our patients or our pets. This is going to be a game changer. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and Dr. John signing off.